Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Hailuo AI to create videos for YouTube. First, open Hailuo AI and decide what type of YouTube content you want to make. You can create short visual clips, storytelling scenes, tutorials, promotional videos, or creative B-roll. Next, write a clear prompt for each scene. Describe the subject, action, environment, lighting, camera movement, and visual style. For example, you can create a cinematic city scene, a product demonstration, or a character-based story. If you already have an image, you can use the image to video option and describe the movement you want to add. Generate your video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish. Once it's ready, preview the result carefully and check the subject, movement, background, and camera motion. For longer YouTube videos, it's better to create several short clips instead of trying to generate the entire video in one prompt. Keep the visual style and important character details consistent between scenes. After creating your clips, save them and combine everything in your preferred video editor. Then add your voiceover, background music, captions, sound effects, and transitions. Before uploading, watch the complete video and make sure the pacing and visuals match your content. And that's how you can use Hailuo AI